Imagine a world where anyone could create a hit song. No need for years of music lessons or expensive studio time, just type in a few keywords, and an AI does the rest. This is the promise of AI-generated music. It's a fascinating development with the potential to revolutionize the music industry, but there's a catch. The US Copyright Office recently made a groundbreaking ruling. AI-generated music cannot be copyrighted. This decision has sent ripples through the industry, leaving many wondering about the future of AI music. This ruling is not about stifling innovation, it's about a fundamental principle of copyright law, protecting human creativity. The debate is far from over. As AI technology advances, we can expect more legal challenges and evolving interpretations of copyright law. One thing is clear, the intersection of AI and music is creating fascinating legal and artistic questions. The US Copyright Office's decision is rooted in the very definition of copyright. It exists to protect original works of authorship fixed in any tangible medium of expression. The key word here is authorship. Copyright law has always required a human creator. AI, for all its abilities, is not human. It's a tool, albeit a sophisticated one. The Copyright Office argues that AI-generated music lacks the essential element of human creativity. This ruling doesn't mean AI is useless in music creation. It simply means that the output of an AI without significant human input cannot be copyrighted. This distinction is crucial for understanding the implications of the ruling. It's not a blanket ban on AI in music. It's a clarification of ownership and creative control. The Copyright Office makes a clear distinction between AI as a tool and AI as the sole creator. Imagine a musician using AI software to enhance their guitar riffs. The musician is still the primary creative force. The AI is simply a tool, like a more advanced effects pedal. This use case is perfectly acceptable under the new ruling. However, if an AI generates an entire song from scratch, with minimal human intervention, that's a different story. In this scenario, the AI is acting as the primary creator, and since AI can't hold copyright, the music enters the public domain. This distinction is important for platforms like Suno. Suno uses AI to generate royalty-free music. Under the new ruling, this business model is completely legal. The key takeaway is this: human creativity remains at the heart of copyright protection. AI can be a powerful tool, but it can't replace the spark of human ingenuity. Here lies the money problems. How do I make a profit from these platforms? The copyright ruling has significant financial implications, both for platforms developing AI music generators and for musicians themselves. Platforms with AI-generated music, which rely on AI to produce large volumes of music, face a challenge. If their AI-generated output isn't copyrightable, how can they control its distribution and monetization? They might need to explore alternative business models, perhaps focusing on subscription services or licensing agreements. For musicians, the ruling offers both potential benefits and drawbacks. On the one hand, it prevents a flood of potentially low-quality, AI-generated music from flooding the market. This could help protect the value of human creativity. On the other hand, it also removes a potential revenue stream. Some artists might have been interested in using AI to increase their output or explore new creative avenues. The lack of copyright protection might discourage such experimentation. The ruling forces us to confront complex questions about the value of art in the age of AI. What happens when machines can create music that's indistinguishable from human-made tunes? How do we ensure fair compensation for both human and artificial creators? Is there breathing room for us humans? Artists are responding to AI usage. The response from the music community has been mixed, reflecting the complex issues at play. Some artists, especially established ones, have expressed relief. They see the ruling as a safeguard against their creative work being imitated or even outright copied by AI. Others worry about the potential chilling effect on innovation. They argue that AI could be a powerful tool for collaboration and pushing creative boundaries. The lack of copyright protection, they fear, might discourage artists from exploring these possibilities. High-profile musicians like Paul McCartney and Elton John have been vocal about their concerns regarding AI's impact on the music industry. They fear that AI could devalue human creativity and lead to a homogenization of musical styles. The debate highlights a fundamental tension between protecting the rights of human creators and fostering innovation in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. So where does the future of music stand? Evolution in place? The debate over AI-generated music and copyright is far from over. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated music-making tools. This will inevitably lead to further legal challenges and evolving interpretations of copyright law. One thing is certain, AI is here to stay, and it will continue to shape the future of music. The question is not whether AI will be involved in music creation, but how. The most likely scenario is one of collaboration. Human artists will leverage AI as a powerful tool, using it to enhance their creativity, explore new sounds, and streamline the music production process. AI might even help break down traditional barriers to entry, allowing aspiring musicians from all backgrounds to share their unique voices with the world. The future of music is likely to be a blend of human and artificial creativity. It will be fascinating to see what new genres, sounds, and artistic expressions emerge from this fusion. And as the legal landscape surrounding AI-generated music continues to evolve, one thing remains paramount: protecting and nurturing the wellspring of human creativity that lies at the heart of all art. Give us your feedback as to what you think.